Hi everyone. This is the swimming suit I will work with and lace this up. This is the fabric for the supporting part. Select the fabric and reduce the opacity to 0. Now, we can start our work. Select the internal ellipse tool. Change the ellipse size to 1 centimeter. Do the same as I do here. I will also give a link to download the basic block for practice. Control-C, Control-V, and right-click. Make 4 copies and move it around. Select all and cut and sew. So, we need to sew this strap to here. Select the internal polygon tool and create a line to sew. Then copy and paste like before. Then, sew our very first strap. Freeze the supporting part to stabilize. Then hit Simulate.
Select Basic Tape Measurement Avatar. Take measurements like I take here. Take for patterns, the same as these measurements taken before. Select these and move them back. Arrange them. Sew them from the 3D window. It will be easy here. And hit Simulate. Select the twisted sew line and press Ctrl+B. Then simulate again. Turn off the avatar measurement. Now pay attention. This part of the strap has to go under this fabric. But if I do that, collision will happen because of this supporting pattern. We need to make a hole here to avoid the collision. Select the internal ellipse tool. Set width to 1.5 cm. Position it and convert to a hole. Don't worry after one side, the other side is easy like this. Select ellipse and convert to hole. And move the pattern like this. And hit simulate. After doing the same to all, I am back. I have also added this pattern for the knot. After that, create symmetric pattern with sewing. And hit simulate. Boom. The other half of the pattern is also ready. Hide the support pattern and see what your lace-up looks like. Please don't go anywhere, we've to create the knot, to give it a final look. I will use this knot here. Drag and drop this back file to the 3D window and select Add. Change the knot thickness to match with our lace. Now do as I do here. So, we are done. But not yet. Select the button tool. Change the button shape and place it in the hole. One done, 9 more to go. Thanks for watching. This is the final you put after texturing and all the other stuff. Please leave a like. This is much appreciated, and comments if you want any help from me.